Alright, I thought I'd make a video today about your Botvac vacuums. My vacuum recently, it was bumping into the walls, and usually it would bump into the walls and it would back up because it has these little sensors, where the bumpers are. But mine just kept bumping and bumping and bumping, and it seemed like it wasn't realizing it was bumping into the walls. And I realized it was these little sensors inside that were messed up. And I replaced it. Then after doing so, it fixed it. But it wasn't until my walls got all scratched up, the baseboards in my house, the little wooden baseboards, looks like I'm gonna have to resand it and repaint it because it got all scratched up. But these things fixed it up. This little switch, I think that's what it's called, little switch sensors or bumpers or something. The ones on the left are for like the Botvac 65, 70, 75, the old ones with the white cover with a colorful round LiDAR covers, and the one on the right is for the newer ones, like the D, I think 75, 80, 85, and Botvac Connected, and it just connects right to the board. And I put them in. It was basically my front left bumper that was messed up. I replaced one of them, but I guess like while I was in there, while I had the machine opened, I just replaced like all of them, just to be safe, so I don't have to take it apart again. But yeah, if yours is also bumping into the wall, I would suggest replacing them, see if that works. Maybe you should just replace them before they go bad, so your wall doesn't get all scratched up. Links at the bottom if you're interested in buying these for yourself. Let me know how it works for you.